Hey guys, so welcome to Speaq. And it's not every day that that a new concept comes out regarding internet marketing products. So I'm quite excited to show you this one. So what we are talking about today is a software that will allow you to create stunning videos from conversations. Now the cool thing about it is that you can share any URL and turn it into copy paste it and turn it into a video. And also it comes with full agency rights, so that means that you can use it for clients right away. And the really cool thing about it is that by sharing one link, you cover basically 5 steps, and that's interviewing clients, making the video, sending them an invoice, making revisions, and final delivering the video. So let me show you how this is done. So here we are inside the dashboard, and this is exactly what your clients will see once you share their link with them. So first of all, this is the little Speaq chatbot, and it says hi. You can say hi right back. And the first question will be to select your niche. So I'm going to go with business and finance here. And the next question will be regarding your video format. I'm going to go with a feed video. Then it will ask you to just give it a name for your project. After that, it will say that it can give you 3 options. Just click yes here, and we will proceed to those options. And now it says that it basically splits into e-commerce, local business, or the other, which is a step-by-step process. So it gives you those options over here. I'm going to go and click on step-by-step just so you can see all the features. Next it will ask you, do you want the video created automatically or do you want to do it myself? I'm going to click on do it myself because I want to show you the templates, which will appear right over here on the left hand side, and if you hover over them you can see the little preview like this one. So I'm going to go scroll down and click on this business meeting because I chose business niche. Then it will high-five you. You will see a preview over here. And the next step is regarding images. It has a built-in image database. You can also upload your own, or it can create for you. Now, in case we chose the Facebook business, you can copy and paste your Facebook page URL, and it will pull images. There will be another option here to pull images from your Facebook page and some info. But right now, I'm going to go and I want to use their database because I want to show you that feature as well. So their database, it will be regarding your niche. By the way, this is business related images, and then it says select 3 images or videos from your left hand side over here, and it says 3 images because my template that I chose has 3 placeholders. Excuse me, but it will automatically change regarding which template you chose. So once you have selected your images, just scroll up and click on done, and it will give you a notification that the images were successfully uploaded, and it will ask you, do you want to crop your images, and I suggest that you do, to make it fit the video perfectly. And right over here on your left side there will be the images selected. I suggest you zoom out of them and then select the portion that you want to appear on your video. Click save, and you do the same for all the images. Once you're done, click the button over here. And next you can edit the text, and you will see a little looping preview over here on the left, on your right side. And I would prefer if you could just pause the video here and then edit the text over here like that, because you won't see. You'll have to wait to see where this text one appears. So this is the one, and it won't update it automatically. This is some changes that I would like to see in the next updates. And by the way, there will be update because I know the owner. I've talked to them, and I know the updates that they are preparing just in 2 weeks, which I will mention later. So this is where you enter your text, and this is where you change the color. So you can change the color of the label, the text background, and the background color itself. And once you're happy, simply click done. And it will ask you if you want to change the default music. I'm going to click yes here, just to show you this feature as well. So a little pop-up window will appear here, and this is where you upload your audio. So once you have selected your file, click the little check mark, and you're done. So it will give you a little notification that the music was uploaded, and you'll see a preview of the slides over here on the left hand side, so you can have a better idea what the final product will look like. If you're satisfied, you click yes. I'm going to do that. and then it will give you a notification that your video is rendering. Please allow 10 to 15 minutes for it to render. And the cool thing here is if you go to settings, by the way, if you go here you can see your already made videos which you can download. But also if you go to settings, by the way, this is where you can find your bonuses, and under extra settings you can copy and paste this link, copy this link and share it with your clients. And the difference when your clients are of course creating their own video from this chatbot is the little pop-up window will appear here, and they will have to enter their email address, credit card info, and pay for the video before downloading them. And of course this will be linked to your account, Stripe account, and you will receive payments. Now they are still working on changing the payment amount, so you can change the payment amount. This update will be available in about 2 weeks. So you will be able to include multiple price points, and it will also allow you to collect their email addresses directly into your autoresponder. And while I was talking, the video was actually rendered over here on the left side. It looks very professional. I like it. You can either have it emailed to you, or you can edit your own video. But as I said, if this was your client, they will have to fill in the details of your email address, which will go to your autoresponder after the update, and you can set multiple price points. That's it, guys. You have support right here on the left hand side if you need anything, and you have a support desk over here if you click it. If you go under the settings, this is where you can find your bonuses. I will be including an extra bonus. And this is it. It's a very special bonus because it will allow you to get more traffic for your Speaq videos. And you can use this course to showcase your Speaq creations on YouTube. It's easy. You just saw how easy and quick it is. So you can create multiple videos, just upload them to YouTube, and then use this course to build niche specific authority channels that will rank high on both YouTube and Google, which basically means free traffic. People searching for anything of the sort will see your videos and get very interested. It will also teach you how to set up and optimize your YouTube channel for best performance. And guys, it's best that if you do exactly what YouTube wants you to do and reap their rewards. There have been courses that people trying to I guess bypass the system, and this won't work because YouTube and Google have guys that are paid millions of dollars per year just to keep this from happening. So you cannot actually beat their system. It's just best to give them what they ask for and then reap the benefits, and this is exactly what you will learn with this special training. If you need any extra help, the tutorials are here on the training under the section settings section of Speaq. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, I work closely with the guys that are launching this, so I'll do my best to answer your questions, and hope you like this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye bye.